This question will test your ability to think. Our goal is to find the value of x and y in this equation. X raised to the power of x multiplied by y raised to the power of x multiplied by x raised to the power of x equals to 784. If you want to solve this question, you must be able to express 784 as a product of two numbers. Are you getting it? Such that the two numbers, when you raise each of the products, each of them, when you raise it, you must have a reflection of what you have at the left hand side. And then you compare, then you obtain the value of x and y. That's it. So we are having x raised to the power of x multiplied by y raised to the power of x multiplied by x raised to the power of x equals to 784. So we need two numbers. Focus on the left hand side of the equation now. At the left hand side, we are having x raised to the power of x, and here also we have x raised to the power of x. I can rewrite the equation as x raised to the power of x multiplied by x raised to the power of x multiplied by y raised to the power of x equals to, now 784 can be written as 16 multiplied by 49, right? Do not forget that 16 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 2, right? And that is what? 4 times 4. Do you understand? Also, 49 can be written as 7 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to replace 16 as 4 times 4 and 49 as 7 raised to the power of 2. So let us proceed. We're going to have x raised to the power of x multiplied by x raised to the power of x multiplied by y raised to the power of x equals to 4 times 7 raised to the power of 2. 4 times 4, 16. But 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. So x raised to the power of x multiplied by x raised to the power of x, y raised to the power of x equals to 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 7 raised to the power of 2. Now, if you compare both sides, it is obvious that x is 2 and y is 7. Want to try? Let's go. X raised to the power of x will be equals to 2 raised to the power of 2. The second x raised to the power of x will be equals to 2 raised to the power of 2. And y raised to the power of x will be equals to 7 raised to the power of 2. Sorry if you cannot see me very well. Now, this is it. This equals to this equals to this, and this equals to this. Do you understand? So you can see x equals to 2 here, x equals to 2, and y equals to 7. Do you understand? So that is the solution to the question. You can see, if you cannot think, you won't be able to solve this kind of question, because the only thing that it requires is your ability to think critically. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you have any question as touching what we discussed here, do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more. Okay, see you in the next class.